If you're still not consistently eating turmeric, you should really change that because this stuff is unbelievably good for you. There's a mountain of research for this anti-inflammatory, anti-carcinogenic root vegetable, and it can be really delicious if you know how to use it right. Here are a few ways. This is my favorite way to get turmeric. It's basically a lemonade with turmeric and ginger juice. You don't need a juicer for this, just blend them up with water and strain the juice. FYI, raw turmeric is fairly cheap at Chinese supermarkets, but costs an arm and a leg at Whole Foods, so shop accordingly. Mix the juice with some simple syrup, plus a pinch of black pepper to make the curcumin more bioavailable. If you don't want the sugar though, go for a golden latte. You've probably had one of these before, and I have an instant golden latte recipe on my website that you can take anywhere with you. It makes a great gift and it's super practical. You can also add ground turmeric into dals or stews. There are some amazing Indian recipes out there for this. Or you could just take a supplement. This is the easiest way, but much less fun than a lemonade or a latte in my opinion. Whichever way you choose, don't forget to feed turmeric to your loved ones because they have to live forever.